It's carb.
Son of a bitch.
Carb are fucking probably full.
You're trying to throw it, ain't it? Honda wouldn't do that now. Oh yeah, she's flooded. Flooding herself pretty bad.
Flooding herself is carb.
I think it's something to do with fucking choke too, to be honest.
The what?
The choke Wayne had it all powered on it.
Still choking itself out, yeah. Do it. That definitely would do it. We are looking for parts for a YZ85 2002.
Yeah.
We need a rim.
And a driver.
And a driver, because it's too much power, we don't know how to handle it. And we're going to sponsor whoever wants to drive. We're going to stick them in some races out here in the gravel pit. We're going to call it the Masturbators Track Race. We'll sponsor them. Masturbators. We'll put masturbator right across the back of it for you.
Fuck. Hey Corey, you want it?
Carburetor issue.
See, that ain't supposed to do that.
What? Move? Back? Oh my god, no.
What the fuck did he lose out of that?
There's probably a spring missing out of it. Is there a spring in there?
Put that over there on the bench or something.
Oh, it's... What's inside there?
I don't know how to look at it. Fucking thing. I know what. There's a little clip, I'm pretty sure, holding nothing down there. That's what it is. A little clip holds that fucking needle. That's what fucked her ass.
The little clip that holds the needle?
Yeah,
It's on a needle. Is that what you're talking about? No.
Or that's supposed to go underneath or something. Maybe that's supposed to be underneath that, is it?
It's not supposed to move up and down. That was just sliding up inside that that thing there?
Yeah.
A tumbler?
That wouldn't even go down in the hole then. You know what I mean? It would just bounce around, wouldn't it?
Yeah. It's supposed to stay stiff there, ain't it?
It's supposed to.
Anyway, we'll figure this out. We'll be back. Well, we cleaned the carb. There was some dirt in it.
Got your lighter? Heck, I hope it runs. It's sick working on it.
getting too much fuel. Too much fuel.
Yeah. Probably bet the fucking
It's spitting the fucking fuel right out of the goddamn carburetor.
right out of the exhaust. Ew.
Yeah, she's getting too much fuel. Wonder if that tumbler, if you move it down one,